Your ma, wee Gallus bloke nae Mair. Your ma, wee Gallus bloke nae Mair. With your bell blue strides and your bonnet to the side. Your ma, wee Gallus bloke nae Mair. I used to winch a Glasgow lass wi' Gallagher she came. She was halfway bonny but I didn't ken her name. I was a winching 7 others and the day that she found out, here is what she said to me as she gave my ear a clue. Oh, your ma, wee Gallus bloke nae Mair. Your ma, wee Gallus bloke nae Mair. With your bell blue strides and your bonnet to the side. Your ma, wee Gallus bloke nae Mair. When passing by the sweetie works, my head began to beat, seeing all the factory lasses coming down the street with their flashy dashy petticoats and flashy dashy shawls, 5 and 10 gutty boots, they're great big Gallus and malls. Your ma, wee Gallus bloke nae Mair. Oh, your ma, wee Gallus bloke nae Mair. With your bell blue strides and your bonnet to the side. Your ma, wee Gallus bloke nae Mair. As I came by the dancing, I began to think, will all the lasses stand and talk about her Jeannie's mink? Or will they hae a natter, I put some other lass? But just as I came up to them, they walked away right fast. Your ma, wee Gallus bloke nae Mair. Oh, your ma, wee Gallus bloke nae Mair. With your bell blue strides and your bonnet to the side. Your ma, wee Gallus bloke nae Mair. Oh, your ma, wee Gallus bloke nae Mair. Your ma, wee Gallus bloke nae Mair. With your bell blue strides and your bonnet to the side. Oh, your ma, wee Gallus bloke nae Mair.